I'm feeding everybody, and they're getting a little crazy on me. This is Gray. Gray likes to eat a lot, especially carrots, huh, Gray? Watch. There's Gray eating carrots. You're good greedy. This is Beewee? Get them mixed up. Oh, there's one. Hi. That is Ruby, I think. Hi, Gray. Ruby. There's Ruby taking a carrot. Here's my donkey baby. Well, they're not babies, but... There's the mama of my favorite one. Whoa! Look at him come. Look at him come. And the little guy. See them all? And they all come and they want a carrot? Who wants a carrot? Hey, I only got one left. You? Little baby? No, little baby? You want one? You want that? You don't want it. It's too big. I'm gonna break it. Oops. Can't break it. I'm gonna try to break it. I can't break it. Sorry, I don't have any more. Everybody wants a carrot. It's nose day. Look, hello nose. I'm all done. Sorry guys. Baby, I kept trying to give you one. You wouldn't take it. I don't have any more, horsey. Look at the horsey's nose. So cute. It's all full of grain. Baby donkey. Hi, baby donkey. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. I don't have any more. See? Hey. Trying to eat my hand. My hand is not the carrot. That's it. Donkey butt. More donkeys, see? I guess I should leave because I think I have something, and I don't. I don't have any more. I have more, but I don't want to feed you it all at one shot. Yeah. Maybe another time. See? Noses. Noses. There's the cows eating. Messing up to the camera. It's cute. Makes a cute video, huh? Here's the baby girl. She's got bacterial infection. Scratching. I don't know if that... You gonna make noises for me? The eye? Both eyes, I guess. That eye? And then that eye? And along her head. Right on. This one's the best. This is the best one. Hello. Hello.